If you're seeing the message, you can't play with friends or LAN worlds because multiplayer is disabled, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. So let's get started. First, open your Minecraft app. Now tap on the settings option. After that, look at the left side of the screen, scroll down, and find the account option and tap on it. Now click on the privacy and online safety option. It will redirect you to a website. Here, simply log in using your Microsoft account, the same one you use to play Minecraft. Don't worry, this is the official website, so it's completely safe. Now, scroll down a little and tap on the Xbox and Windows 10 online safety option. From here, you'll need to change a few settings to enable multiplayer and play with your friends. Now scroll down and find the second last option called You Can Join Multiplayer Games. Set it to Allow. Sometimes you might not be able to click on Allow or change the settings because of age restrictions. In that case, you can create a new Microsoft account and make sure the age is set to 18 or above. If you still want to use your current account, let me know in the comments below. But keep in mind, that process is a bit complicated. After that, tap on Submit to save your changes. Now clear all apps from the background, including Minecraft. Then reopen the game. After that, go to the Play option. And as you can see, the multiplayer disabled error is gone, and you can play with your friends now. So yeah, that's how you can easily fix this issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.